Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get daily updates on my gold technical analysis. Before starting our today's analysis, we'll look at today's economic calendar, then we'll begin our analysis. We can notice that there is high impacting news coming up on New Zealand dollar. It is already completed. And when we look at other newses, at 7 AM we have medium impacting news on Australian dollar. Otherwise we have low impacting news coming up on the major currency pairs. And at 10 PM we have medium impacting news coming up on Swiss francs. But overall, when we look at the economic calendar for today, there are no high impacting news on major currency pairs. But keep in mind, Ukraine-Russia war is still on, so any bad news on that will fuel the gold to go on a bullish side. Let us start with our analysis. Before starting the analysis, I would like to let you know that all the resistance and trend of the market highlighted here in this analysis are only for the educational purpose. Please do your own analysis before deciding on your trade entries and exits. So I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, it was on a bearish trend reversal, and again it has started its bullish trend reversal. So overall, the price action in daily time frame, it's still in a very nice bullish trend. When we use the Fibonacci's retracement tool to check the current price action retracement level, so from here it started its bullish trend and went up to this level, and the bearish trend reversal happened. And when we notice where the trend reversal had happened, it took support around the level of 5261.80 level. Then it went on a bullish trend reversal. It is a valid support level in Fibonacci's tool. Let me mark this support level. So this level has been acting as a support. So this whole area will be acting as a support zone when the price action tries to go on a bearish trend reversal. When we look on the left side also, this level had acted as a resistance level. Now it is acting as a support zone. So when we mark the resistance level, it had gone up to the level of 2000. Then the bearish trend reversal had happened. And this level will be acting as a support level when the price action tries to come on a bearish trend reversal. And again, let us use the Fibonacci's extension tool to find the resistance levels on this area. Again, from here it started its bullish trend, then went up to this level, then bounced back and retraced up to this level over here. So if the price action breaks this resistance level of 2000, next level of resistance is going to be around 2032. And if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 2065. And when we draw a trend line and check the current trend of the market, it is still in a very nice bullish trend. And on the upside also, I am drawing a resistance line. We can clearly notice that the price action has taken support on this support line and bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. These are all going to be the levels for the price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action has taken support on this trend line and this support zone, and it is in a very nice bullish trend. And when we look at the chart pattern formation, around at this level the price action had a consolidation, then it went on a bearish trend reversal, again went on a bullish trend reversal, again retracement, again it went all the way up and retraced up to the previous high of 2000. So when we look at the chart pattern formation, it has formed similar to one double bottom pattern, and also it has completed 100% retracement up to the level of 2000. And also we are noticing a bearish candle being formed over here. Let us wait and see whether it is going to form into a bearish or bullish candle for today. So if it is a bearish candlestick, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen. So if the price action retraces also, this level, which is around 1958, will be acting as a support level. So we can expect the price action to take support at this level and to bounce back But in any case, it has to break this resistance level of 2000 in order to further continue on the bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, here we have the trend line or support line from the daily time frame, and it is trading above the higher time frame support level of 1958. And when we look at the current trend of the market, I am drawing a channel pattern. From here it started its bullish trend reversal and it is continuously in a bullish trend. And when we look at the higher side also, it has properly respected this trend line or the resistance line, and every time it tests this trend line, it has retraced and took support on the support line of the bullish channel pattern. So overall, the current price action in hourly time frame, it's still in a very nice bullish trend. Only when the price action breaks this trend line or support line, we can expect a further fall, and next level of support is going to be the higher time frame support level of 1958. And if the price action breaks this support level also, we can expect the price action to take support on the daily time frame trend line or the support line. And if the price action bounces back from this support line, next level of resistance is going to be the daily time frame resistance level, which is around 2000. If the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 2031. So wait for the price action to bounce back from this support line, based on which you can take trades on the bullish side, and if the price action breaks this trend line, you can take trades on the bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values within these blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a retracement. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1958 and resistance level of 2000. Previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend, and currently it is on a retracement and trading within this bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame. I've drawn a support line or resistance line for the 30 minutes time frame also. Previously this trend line was respected and has broken this resistance line and went on a bullish trend reversal. Currently the price action is in a retracement. I am expecting the price action to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. If the price action breaks this support line, we can take trades on the bearish trend reversal. For that we have to wait till it breaks the previous low, which is around 1961. Then you get a confirmation on the bearish trend reversal. The next level of support is going to be around higher time frame support level of 1958. And if the price action bounce back on the bullish trend reversal, wait for it to break the previous high of 1981. Then you can decide on going on a bullish side trades. Let us draw the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1980 and support level of 1976. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the trend in 5 minutes time frame, I'm drawing a trend line over here. We can clearly notice that previously this resistance line was respected, and currently the price action is testing this resistance line. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line or to bounce back from this resistance line, based on which you can take trades on the direction it gives a breakout. When we draw the support line also, we can clearly notice that it is actually forming into a triangle pattern. Soon we can expect a directional breakout from this triangle pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between this resistance and support line from the 5 minutes time frame. Wait for a directional breakout in 5 minutes time frame. We have come to the end of this analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.